Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are tracking essential aspects of home design, how to choose the right color for house design. So let's start our video. To begin, let's lay the foundation by understanding some basis of color theory. Familiarize yourself with the color wheel, understanding the relationship between color like complementary elegance and tactics can help you create harmonious combination. Think about the mood you want to convey in each room. Warm colors like red and yellow evoke energy and patience, while cool colors like blue and greens promote calmness and relaxation. Consider the amounts of natural light your space receives. Lighter colors can make a room feel more spacious and airy, while darker colors create coziness. For smaller rooms, opt for lighter shades to make them appear larger. For smaller rooms, opt for lighter shades to make them appear larger. In the larger space, you have more flexibility to experiment with bolder hues. Don't forget the importance of testing and sampling. Grab paints sweetness of sample of the color you are considering and trap them to the walls. Observe how they look at different times of the day and under versus lighting condition. Samples and pictures of furniture and decor the visuals how everything will comes together. We can't ignore the exterior when it's come to house design. Consider your neighborhood and climate. Chosen colors that complement your surrounding and the suitable for your local climate. Match the color detail the architectural style of your home. Traditional home may be benefit from classic colors while modern design can embrace bold contemporary hue. In consoling choosing the right color for you, house design is a creative and exciting process. It is all about expressing your personality and creating the embrace your desire.